The material we just talked about is used to clean soldering iron tips, friends. Inside, there is a blue substance, kind of like glass cleaner. You could call it a solution or even tin. It really restores the tip of the soldering iron to like new condition. So if you're saying, Nesetabi, my soldering iron won't hold solder, this is the cure for that. Let me try to open it without spilling. Yes, here it is. It's a blue glass cleaner like liquid. First, use a fine sandpaper to remove the heavy dirt from the soldering tip and make sure your soldering iron is hot. Heat it up to the maximum temperature. I'm trying it for the first time too. So let's see how it goes together. It's starting to shine. On a good soldering tip, the solder should stay put like this, not fall off, friends. Now let's clean the tip with our special wire. Look at the result, perfect. As you can see, it's shiny and clean. I'm trying to zoom in for you. Look how clean it is. There's no way it won't hold solder now. The solder sits right on the tip. It doesn't fall off at all. This one doesn't look too bad, but since I've got it in hand, let's clean it too. Now, let's turn our TS model to maximum heat. Only remove the thick dirt. If you use too much sandpaper, it'll ruin the tip. Keep that in mind. The TS model can heat up to 400 degrees Celsius. I'm really curious about the result. Friends, these soldering irons are expensive, so we need to take care of their tips. And this one came out perfect. It's like it just got tinned again. Let me dip it once more. It looks just like the day I got my TS100. I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but it's shining like new. Let's test the second soldering iron. Make sure it's hot enough. No need to explain how well it holds solder now. Let's give it a quick wipe. While soldering, I recommend keeping a paper towel nearby so you can wipe the tip like this for a cleaner result. Our soldering iron now looks like it's brand new. Let's remove it and take a look. Would you look at that? It's like it's never been used.